Move the squeegee a little so that you can apply the solder mask ink to the end of the screen. Pour the solder mask ink on the screen. Scroll back to the screen to the end of the screen. If it is all ready, then press the button to start the process. During the process, the pedal is still stepped on or not full, in order to keep the vacuum active so that the PCB is not lift at the same time as the screen. Release the pedal and lift the PCB that has been given the solder mask ink.